In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation Camo on the RK-9 here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up that gunsmith, go to the customize tab and into the camo section where you're going to want to select zombies to pull up all of these zombie challenges that you're going to need to complete. The first 9 camos here are going to be your military camos, and these are going to be your 1000 crit kills that you have to get in total with the RK-9. Crit kills is just a fancy way in zombies for saying headshot kills, so take out those zombies with headshots. The rest of the damage can literally be done to the body. You just have to finish them off with some head. This probably is going to be what takes you the longest out of all of the challenges, but after you do knock these out, and once again, what I would recommend doing is just playing a survival map for this. I'm going to be recommending you do that for all of these unless I say otherwise. But knock this out and we can move on to the special camos. The first one is Mutilate. You got to get 300 eliminations with the Napalm Burst ammo mod equipped. This one is not too bad. You just have to go ahead and buy Napalm Burst, put it on your weapon, and when Napalm Burst does activate, you have to kill as many zombies as possible. Now, you can just spray into the zombies as soon as Napalm Burst does activate, and you'll knock out these kills pretty quickly. It doesn't have to be Napalm Burst itself that takes them out. For the Slither camo, you got to go ahead and get 75 armored zombie eliminations with the RK-9. Armored zombies spawn in like past round 12, I believe. And later on the rounds, there's going to be so many of them. Just get 75 kills. This one should realistically take no time to knock out. For Pathfinder, you got to get 3 crit kills consecutively 5 times, which means it's only 15 kills total being crit kills. But you cannot, get a body shot kill. It has to be exclusively crit kills in a row to knock this one out. Once again, this one is super easy, and this allows us to move on to the Golden Dragon camo, which is 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the RK-9. Just round up a train and spray into them, and you'll get these done extremely quickly. This should only take you 1 to 2 rounds max to knock out the Golden Dragon camo, which is good because Bloodstone is where it starts to get a little bit more complicated. First things first, you do have to get that Golden Dragon camo on all 6 SMGs first. After you do that, you have to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. Once again, for this one, the only hard part is getting the Dragon camo on all these 6 SMGs. From here, you just got to run up a train, and then that's how you're going to take out these zombies quickly. It's only 100 kills total if you think about it. For Doomsteel, though, this is where it definitely gets a little bit more challenging because you have to get Bloodstone on all 30 weapons before you can even attempt this. After you do that, though, you just got to go ahead and eliminate 10 elite zombies with the RK-9. And this is actually the only challenge that you're not going to want to play a survival map for. Instead, you're going to want to play Ash of the Damned. Go all the way to round 16, spawn in that first Zersa, take out that Zersa, and then run into the fog. And every 2 to 5 minutes after you take out that first Zersa on round 16, there's going to be another Zersa that spawns in exclusively in that fog. This is the fastest way to grind out Doomsteel. It is kind of tedious and can be super chaotic in the fog itself, but it is the quickest method for getting these done fast. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, but literally just get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons, and then you'll go ahead and unlock Infestation, which is an absolutely phenomenal looking camo. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.